Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new week, and now we are going to start Unit 5. This is Around Town. Okay, so in this unit, we are going to talk about everything about what is in our town, in our city. Okay, places like restaurants, bank, etc. How to get directions and how to go to different places. But first, we are going to start reviewing the answers for the test that you had the last week. Okay, so here you have the answers for your test. So if you want to review this, you are going to have here. Okay, you only have to stop the video and review with the answers that you have. Even though the ones that sent me the test, I already resent the answers corrected, ¿ok? O sea, los que ya me enviaron, ya les envié corregido, pero aquí usted puede revisar. So this is number 1, the listening. This is number 2, okay? So you have here the grammar. This is number 3. In this, most of you have mistakes, okay? So yeah, this is a little bit difficult. So it was difficult, so don't worry. La mayoría cometió errores aquí, so this is the correct answers, but don't worry, this is a little bit difficult, okay? So we are going to continue practicing this in the future. Okay, so next we have this, okay? This is about the reading. Then we have this. Okay, so this is the 5 questions about the reading. Okay, so now here we have this. This is wonderful. You did great this. Congratulations, excellent. Okay, so this, excellent too, very good. Very good, good job. And now this is Unit 5, okay? So now we are going to start with Unit 5. First, we are going to review vocabulary. Okay, so most of the vocabulary you already know. So you know this, only we are going to remember the vocabulary. This is a good opportunity for you to remember, okay? So we have the bank, we have library, we have restaurant, school, street, supermarket, grocery store, hospital, house. Okay, so we are going to go back and review one more time. Okay, this is bank, library, restaurant, school, street. This is a street, La Palma Avenue, and this is one street, maybe Euclid Street, supermarket, okay, grocery store. So what is the difference between a supermarket and a grocery store? In a supermarket, you can find a lot of things, different things, okay, like Walmart. But in a grocery store, you can find a lot of vegetables, fruits, this kind of stuff, okay? So this is a grocery store. Maybe Norgate could be a grocery store, okay? So we have hospital, we have house. Okay, so very easy for you. This is vocabulary that you already know. Now here we are going to review some new vocabulary. Let me do something here. Okay, so now what we are going to do here is to remember this vocabulary, maybe 2 words, 2 places that are new for you. So we have number 1, this is police station. Number 2, this is fire station. Number 3, post office. Number 4, library. Number 5, park. Number 6, courthouse. Okay, what is a courthouse? Es la corte. Okay, when you have a problem, sometimes you have to go to the courthouse. This is la corte. Okay, number 7, this is the city hall. And the city hall is, some people here says la ciudad. Es donde usted va a hacer trámites cuando tiene un negocio, cuando tiene diferentes cosas, you have to go to the city. Cuando necesita hacer algún arreglo a su casa, you have to go to the city hall, okay? This is a public office where manage everything about a city, todo. Aquí se maneja todo lo de una ciudad, okay? Then we have number 8, the Department of Motor and Vehicles. This is the DMV, okay, DMV, okay, very easy, DMV. And this number 9 is a school, okay? So this is vocabulary for you. Please remember that you have to memorize the vocabulary. It's very important to memorize the vocabulary. And this is easy because most of you know these places. Okay, so next here we are going to work. This is in your booklet. You have, this is page 59. Okay, what you are going to do here is you are going to listen the conversations and you are going to write the letter. So, for example, you have here number 1 always is the example, okay? So you are going to listen the conversation and you are going to say, oh, this is letter A. Oh, the conversation number 2 is letter B, for example. Conversation number 3 is letter C, whatever. Okay, so listen the conversation and identify what place is the conversation talking about. Usted va a escuchar y va a identificar en la conversación de qué lugar está hablando. Okay, so ready. Remember, number 1 always, the first one, la primera, always is your example. Okay, ready to listen. Ready, please.
Unit 5, Around Town, page 59. Exercises 2A and 2B. Conversation A. Excuse me, where's the pharmacy?
The pharmacy? It's on 5th Avenue.
5th Avenue? Is it far from here?
No, just go straight about 2 blocks.
Thank you very much. Conversation B.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the museum.
The museum? Oh, yes. It's on C Street.
C Street? Where is that?
It's not far. Turn left at the next street.
Thanks a lot.
Conversation C.
Excuse me, I can't find the post office. The post office? It's on 70th Street. 70th Street? That way? Yes, just go that way a block. Thanks for your help.
Conversation D.
Excuse me, is the bus stop around here?
The bus stop? Let's see. Yes, it's on G Street.
G Street? Is that far?
No, it's across the street.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Conversation E. Excuse me, I'm looking for the playground.
The playground? It's on 1st Avenue.
1st Avenue? Where is that?
Go to the corner and turn left.
Thanks so much. Conversation F.
Excuse me, is there a restaurant near here?
A restaurant? Oh, yes. It's on 3rd Avenue.
3rd Avenue? Over there?
Yes, it's not far. Go straight a few more blocks. It's on your right.
Great. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so if you have problems in understanding, you can listen again, go back the video. Also, I am going to send you this listening, okay? I am going to send you so you can listen in your cell phones. Okay, so now we are going to review your answers. Okay, so if you have in this way, this is correct. The example A, then letter B, letter C, D, E, and F. So if you have in this way, good job. Okay, if not, you can repeat. Okay, so now we are going to continue here. Now, the second part, you are going to listen again, the same listening, but now you are going to circle the street you have here. For example, in A, you have 15th Avenue, 5th Avenue, and 50th Avenue. So you say, oh, it's 5th Avenue, okay? So in each of these, you are going to identify which is the street that the listening is talking about, okay? So in each conversation, and you have to circle only one. Tiene que identificar es solo una. La vez anterior me mandaron puesto en un círculo todito. No, solo una en cada conversación, okay? So you are going to listen again, and you are going to circle the street, the name of the street of the avenue that you listen, okay? Listen, please.
Unit 5, Around Town, page 59. Exercises 2A and 2B. Conversation A.
Excuse me, where's the pharmacy?
The pharmacy? It's on 5th Avenue.
5th Avenue?
Is it far from here?
No, just go straight about 2 blocks.
Thank you very much. Conversation B.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the museum.
The museum? Oh, yes. It's on C Street.
C Street? Where is that?
It's not far. Turn left at the next street.
Thanks a lot.
Conversation C.
Excuse me, I can't find the post office. The post office? It's on 70th Street. 70th Street? That way? Yes, just go that way a block. Thanks for your help.
Conversation D.
Excuse me, is the bus stop around here?
The bus stop? Let's see. Yes, it's on G Street.
G Street? Is that far?
No, it's across the street.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Conversation E. Excuse me, I'm looking for the playground.
The playground? It's on 1st Avenue.
1st Avenue? Where is that?
Go to the corner and turn left.
Thanks so much. Conversation F.
Excuse me, is there a restaurant near here?
A restaurant? Oh, yes. It's on 3rd Avenue.
3rd Avenue? Over there?
Yes, it's not far. Go straight a few more blocks. It's on your right.
Great. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so if you have problems understanding, you can listen again, go back to the video, listen again, and practice your listening. Okay, so now we are going to review your answers. So number 1, it's 5th Avenue. Letter B, C Avenue, because this is G and this is Z, so it's C Avenue. Letter C is 70th Avenue. Letter D is G Street. Letter E, it's First Avenue because this is Fair and this is Third. So this is First Avenue. Letter F is not 13th, 30th. This is Third Avenue. So if you have in this way, good job. Okay, so now we are going to continue. Okay, so here, what are you going to do here? It's you are going to write, this is about your neighborhood, vecindario. How many places are in your neighborhood? Okay, so you can say, how many museums do you have in your neighborhood? Maybe 0 museums. Pharmacies, how many pharmacies? Maybe 1, maybe 2. Bus stops, how many bus stops it's in your neighborhood? Maybe 1, 2. Libraries, maybe 0, maybe 2. Restaurants, maybe 4, 5. Parks, how many parks do you have? Okay, how many parks in your neighborhood? How many schools? How many post offices? How many hospitals? Okay, so when you have, look at this, useful language. When 0 means 0, say none. So here, how many museums are in your neighborhood? None. Ninguno. How many museums are in your neighborhood? None. Repeat after me. How many museums are in your neighborhood? None. Ninguno quiere decir eso. Okay? So, right here about your neighborhood. Escriba acerca de su vecindario. Okay, so now we are going to practice. How many museums are in your neighborhood? How many pharmacies are in your neighborhood? How many bus stops are in your neighborhood? How many libraries are in your neighborhood? How many restaurants are in your neighborhood? How many parks are in your neighborhood? How many schools are in your neighborhood? How many post offices are in your neighborhood? How many hospitals are in your neighborhood? Okay. Practice the way that you have to ask this. How many, cuántos museos, cuántos. This is how many, cuántos, okay? So then you are going to write here sentences with the places that you have learned. So for example, my city has 2 museums. My favorite pharmacy is CV Pharmacy. Okay, so you are going to write sentences with the new vocabulary that you have here. Okay, so you can use this vocabulary, all the vocabulary. Police station, fire station, library, city hall. This vocabulary you are going to use to write your sentences, any sentence, okay? So you can say, my city has 2 museums, my neighborhood has 1 park, or you can say, my favorite park is Marshall Park. My neighborhood has 1 police station. The police station in my neighborhood is big. Any sentence, lo que usted pueda escribir de oración, ¿ok? Just you have to remember subject, verb, and complement. Trate de escribir y vea, traduzca, a ver si es que está bien. En su cabecita traduce y ve si está bien, ¿ok? No importa si quiere escribir una oración larga o una cortita, ¿ok? So, write sentences. Next, here we are going to remember the prepositions of place, ¿ok? Preposiciones de lugar. This is in, this is on, sobre, under, debajo, next to, junto, behind, atrás, in front of, al frente, between, en medio. Across from is the same that in front of. You can say, the supermarket is in front of my house. The supermarket is across from my house. You can use this or you can use this, okay? They are the same. Another one that we have here is on the corner. On the corner means en la esquina. Cuando algo está localizado en la esquina. This is one street and this is another street. And in this part is located a building. In this case is the police station. Look at this. The police station is on the corner, en la esquina. Okay, so you have this across from, on the corner, and these ones that you already know. Estas ya saben, la mayoría de ustedes. Okay. Y si no se acuerda, aquí está con dibujitos, solo es cuestión de que usted trate de irse acordando y memorizando, ¿ok? Next. Okay, so here, write sentences. What are you going to do? Look at this. This is the example. Where is the restaurant? You have here. Esta es una esquina, porque esta es una calle y esta es otra calle. So, the restaurant is on the corner of Wall Street and Main Street. So, on the corner of, en la esquina de. Where is the hotel? Aquí tiene Susan Street and St. Joseph's Street. Okay, so you have two streets here. So where is the hotel? The hotel is on the corner of Joseph Street and Susan Street. Okay? So then here you have to answer this. Where is the cat? Okay. Which preposition is this? Where is the train station? Look at this, the train station. Here you have to remember that when you talk about streets, you have to use the preposition on. Remember that, okay? On. Then you have, where is the library? Where is the library? Okay. So here, where is the school? Where is the school? This is a school and this is a park. Okay, so where is the school? Where is the city hall? Where is the city hall? This is a bank, this is the DMV, and this is the city hall. Where is the hospital? This is the hospital and this is the library. I think this is, okay. So now here I am going to go back. So you can copy this, stop the video, and you can answer the questions. Okay, so where is the hotel? Okay, here, stop the video, okay, and write. You don't have this in your booklets. No tienen sus booklets. Here, stop the video, write. Okay, so when you do this, you have to send me. Me va a enviar, okay? So now here we have vocabulary. Some of these you know. Algunos de estos usted ya conoció. Vamos a repetir de nuevo. So you have the police station, you have the fire station, post office, library, park, courthouse, city hall, DMV, and school. Remember, you have to memorize this, okay? So vocabulary. Okay, so now here you have this. It's on the corner. It's on the corner. Está en esquina. The prepositions that you already remember: on the corner of, across from, on, next to, between. Where is the bank? This is the bank. In all the pictures, you have the bank and the bank, okay? So look at this. The first one here. Where is the bank? It is, porque el banco es una cosa, utilizamos it is. Usted no puede decir he is o she is porque el banco no es persona. It is on Stone Avenue. Mire. So, cuando usted habla de que una cosa, de que un lugar está en una calle, usted utiliza la preposición on. Where is your house? My house is on Lighthouse Lane. Okay, where is the bank? It is on Stone Avenue. Where is the bank? The bank is next to the park. This is the park, this is the bank. Okay, so where is the bank? The bank, or it is across from the library. Across from the library. Where is the bank? It is between the park and the school. Between, en medio. Between the park and the school. Where is the bank? It is on Bridge Avenue. Oh, sorry. It is on the corner of Bridge Avenue and Water Street. Okay, so on the corner, en la esquina. Okay, so this is important that you have, that you remember. This you have in your booklet. Esto tiene en su booklet. Es la segunda página de su booklet en la unidad 5. Ahí tiene para que repase, para que revise. Usted puede utilizar esto para hacer su ejercicio anterior que le pedí si es que tiene dificultades, ¿ok? Now here we are going to continue. Here, what are you going to do? Look at the map, complete the sentences. Ahora va a poner en práctica. This is the map. Este es el mapa que usted tiene en sus fotocopias. Tal vez no está muy claro porque es en blanco y negro, pero aquí puede mirar. Dice, where is the park? It is next to the bank. Vamos a ver dónde está el park. Aquí dice park, aquí dice bank. So, el park es next to the bank, ¿ok? Number 1 is always your example. Siempre su ejemplo. You have to do the rest. Va a continuar con lo siguiente. Usted va a hacer esto mirando aquí despacito, ¿ok? Despacito. Number 2, where is the library? Vamos a ver la library. Usted tiene varias opciones. Usted puede decir the library is between the hospital and the post office, across from, in front of, next to, different possibilities, okay? So you are going to work in this, okay? You have here the map. So stop the video and practice this. Okay, so then you can review if you did this good. En algunas puede variar la respuesta. Aquí usted puede tener across from, puede tener in front of. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so after you review this, después de que ya revisó, we are going to continue. Okay, so here you have different places here. You don't have in your booklet. No tiene en su booklet. Esto tiene aquí, en la computadora. So, where is the school? It is next to the library. Vamos a ver dónde está el school. Aquí está el school. Where is the school? Next to the library. Okay? So, then you are going to do the others. Where is the pharmacy? Where is the post office? Where is the restaurant? Where is the museum? Where is the park? Where is the coffee shop? Where is the bus stop? Okay? So, this you have to do. This is your homework. So then, remember this vocabulary. You are going to try to remember the name of these places. What was number 1? ¿Qué era número 1? I don't remember. What is this? Oh, police. How is the name of number 1? I don't remember. What is the name of number 2? Va a tratar de acordarse y de escribir the name of these places. This is your homework, okay? So when you finish this, you have to send me your homework. Okay, so and good job, you did it. Okay, guys, so if you have any question, you have to ask me any question that you want. Also, I am going to send you the pictures of the vocabulary with the listening. Voy a mandarles los listenings, okay? Okay, so good job. See you on Wednesday in our Zoom class. Bye-bye.